So my friend, this is my third video regarding astrology. Basic astrology, I am trying to give the idea about it. So now I just put it here. Planet cusp, planet bhavas, we call it planet bhava, planet star lord bhavas and sub lord. What is planet bhavas? Source, matter. What does the matter? Education, academics, all the events take place in matter and decider whether event should take place or not. So life is what? Source plus matter plus decider. These three things explain your life. Whether this, how will be academically? What will speak? Source is the fourth source. Fourth cusp is the source. What is the matter is the academics and decider whether I'll be good in academics or not. Whether I'll go for academics or not. Academics will be successful there. So source, matter, decider. Always you see the matter. Source is by which way it will give. Planet bhavas. That is basically which sign it resides, which planet resides. These two signs which it occupies is known as source. Matter is the planet placed in which star lord, and that is bhava. That is the point which they take. So in my all this point, matter is important. What I give in my further videos, further charts is a matter. Which matter connect to first sublord, that you speak specifically. So you have a major idea of astrology. And decider is whether decide or not sublord. That also in my further charts you will be able to make exactly. Though I am speaking less, but my chart is self-explanatory for this. So source can be anything. Sources. Say what is the matter? Matter is marriage. So you are in love marriage, or you get married to one working under you, or your any matter is that. So marriage is the matter. But which way it will take the place, it has to be seen. Whether a marriage is arranged marriage, whether marriage is love marriage, these are source matter. What is my matter? Matter is marriage. So academics, which academics will be a science, arts, commerce. So matter. So I explained few horoscopes. So planet bhava is the number is the source. Star lord bhavas is a matter. Event should take place or not. That is by the sublord, the decider. Now this I am giving you. Rahu is a planet 1 minute. I'll just go further. So I'll give you a chart for this. Now what is this chart you will find? This is a sort of newly carved. These things are called as how do you read how can read this type of horoscope? The Cuspal Interlink horoscope. A new one is so I'll tell you what is says in that. I'll give also this. Now you see the planet. It is the sign lord of tree, sub lord of it, resident of 11th planet Sun. It involves who is star lord of Sun? Venus. It involves 5, 6, 7, 11, 12. Where is sublord? Mercury. 1, 3 involves. It involves and commits. Commitment is sublord. Sublord is final commitment. This is how this horoscope is read. Sun. So Sun I say star lord it involves houses 5, 6, 7, 11, 12 by means of Venus star lord. It commits by Mercury 1, 3, 4, 6, 10 and finally final commitment, that is 5, 6, 7, 11, 12. So what is the thing here? Planet Sun is placed in the star of Venus, sub of Mercury and sub of Venus. Now the final confirmation. I see that is matter and source. So this is what involvement of the house. It involves 5, 6, 7, 11, 12. Now I'll tell you relation 5, 6 I give me further. You can read it. Mercury is 1, 3, 4, 6. The event will take place or not. Now this first involvement star lord should be the accordance with the sublord. Involvement commitment. Commitment should be in the tune with this involvement. Then the event will use further. Now final confirmation, that is 5, 6 is the final confirmation. So likewise you can take Mars. This is just a read, right? We go into reading all this. Planet Mars you take involves Mars. It's Mars in the star of Mars, sub of Mars, sub of Jupiter. Mars is sign lord of 6, 7, sub lord of 11, sub 4, 6. Mars is in the star lord of 4, 6, 11, sub lord of 4, 6, 11 again and final confirmation. Basically this know that when you read the horoscope, then you put the 4.6 astrology. These are the basic. If I should be able to cast the horoscope, then you will be able to understand how this all numbers vary. So take Jupiter. It is in the star lord of Saturn. It is involving 1, 2, 8, 9, 10 houses. Sub lord of Saturn 1, 2, 8, 9 and the sub of 3 and 8. Involvement, yes, it says yes. It says yes. Commitment is next sub lord. Commitment is that it will be tuned with the star lord and final confirmation has to be in tune with the sub lord. So that is how the event will take place in your life.